Hi guys, do you need new ideas on how to prepare your pork chops? Tired of the same old, same old? Well, in this tutorial, I will be showing you how I make oven jerk pork chops. The recipe is extraordinarily delicious, and I'm sure you're going to take something away from this tutorial. Welcome to Risha Simone's Recipe Tweaks. I'm glad that you're here. And let's get started with this recipe, guys. My meat is washed, prepped, and seasoned from yesterday. All I'm doing here is adding some more wet jerk rub just to add some more flavor to the meat. So my oil is ready. Please ensure that your oil is hot. You're going to add these pork chops to the oil and let them sear for 2 minutes on both sides. So just to clarify, we are not cooking them here. We just want them to simply brown just like this. That's all you need. So once they're brown, just remove them from the pot because we will be cooking them in the oven later. I'm going to show you another step. Add some more oil if you need to. So we're just browning or searing these meat for 2 minutes on both sides. Once that is done, remove them from the pot. All right? I don't know if you've ever seen red stripe beer added to jerk recipe. Guys, the beer can be any one of your choice, but red stripe beer takes this recipe to another level. Man, the jerk marinade mixed in the red stripe beer really gives the pork a savory, soft, malty taste. Trust me, guys, it will excite your taste buds. Give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Can't wait to hear your response. All the pork chops are seared. I'm adding half bottle of red stripe beer to this before adding it to the oven, guys. Look at this. It looks amazing. This looks great. The pork chops are all coated in red stripe beer, and we're gonna bake it at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. 20 minutes, guys. You don't want to overcook it. Guys, the aroma in this kitchen is overwhelmingly delicious. So 20 minutes have passed and our jerk pork chops are ready. Guys, look at this. Look at the color. Look at this. It smells amazing. I can't wait to taste this. Guys, you can have this with dumplings, rice, bread. The options are endless. So, man, give it a try. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It was great having you here this week. Please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'd be notified when I post new videos. And as we say, ciao, bye, walk good, peace.